What's going on, everybody? Welcome to our channel, MF Cooking. Today we're making Popeyes Blackened chicken tenders. Enjoy the video. Remember to like, comment, and subscribe, and hit that notification bell to be notified when we post a new video. Let's get started. For this recipe, you'll need chicken tenderloins or chicken breast, smoked paprika, cayenne pepper, chili powder, garlic powder, onion powder, salt, black pepper, and Italian seasoning. We're going to begin by removing the tendon from the tenderloin. To do so, hold the tendon with a paper towel and use a fork to pull down, and the tendon should slide right out. Next, we're going to make a blackened seasoned mixture. In a bowl, add 2 teaspoons of smoked paprika, 1.5 teaspoons of cayenne pepper, 2 teaspoons of chili powder, 1 teaspoon of garlic powder, 1 teaspoon of onion powder, 1.5 teaspoons of salt, 1 teaspoon of black pepper, and 1 teaspoon of Italian seasoning. Mix seasons until well combined. Evenly coat chicken with seasoned mixture. In a skillet, add 2 tablespoons of olive oil. Add tenders and sear for 3 to 4 minutes on each side. Preheat oven to 350 degrees. Place tenders in the oven for 10 minutes to allow them to finish cooking. And there you have it, Popeyes Blackened chicken tenders. We hope you all enjoyed this video. Remember to like, comment, and subscribe, and hit that notification bell to be notified when we post a new video. And remember to tell everybody you know, them MFers be cooking.